Honestly, Janine, you know what will really solve your problem?
What exactly?
Lotion, because I'm so tired of seeing those ashy knuckles.
What?
No, seriously.
Okay, I decided on a really good idea.
Did you decide to brush your teeth?
Ava.
What? Okay, does anybody find it weird that Gregory has not viewed my Instagram story yet? It's been 23 hours. I gotta try harder.
Didn't he block you? Ava, 2 students are fighting in the hallway.
Oh, this would be perfect for my TikTok. I've been fiending to go viral. Listen, I work hard all the time. One time I spammed Dancing Idris's Twitter account 97 times and I finally got blocked. That's dedication.
Ava, there's a fire in the cafeteria.
Listen, I'll deal with that later. Nicki Minaj just retweeted me.
What? Miss Coleman, my tummy's been rumbling. I don't feel
Okay, well, what do you want me to do about it?
But, hey, Ava!
Oh, I'm sorry, Janine. I forgot it was Halloween today.
Halloween was 3 months ago. Wait, what are you talking about?
Well, damn, fix your face.
What?
He wanna F
Ava.
E.
Ava.
Which one of y'all kids stole my DoorDash order?
What? Hey, Ava, can you watch my class for 5 minutes? I just have to...
Fine. Listen, I do not do crying. So if one of y'all cry,
I want my mommy.
I'm out. Why you look so sad, Gregory? You need to talk to Mama about it.
Oh my gosh.
Barbara, it's been like 5 years. You're not gonna accept my follow request?
Ava, I have told you 50 times. I'm not into that social media MySpace kind of stuff.
MySpace? How old do you think I am?
Ava, I really think we should have a podcast to educate the
And
kids.
this way, I have a wig review.
Hey, Ava, I just wanted to let you know I'm not really feeling well. I'm just very sick and
I mean, you do look terrible. I mean,
Yeah.
yes, you look terrible every day, but today's even worse. So of course.
I'm gonna ignore that.
Ooh, what y'all losers got going on?
It's a staff meeting that you literally called us down for. You said it was urgent.
Oh, right. I just want to let y'all know I'm going to a Keisha Cole concert, so I'm
What?
not going to be in for the rest of the day. And I might not come in tomorrow.
Are you serious? Hey, I got your text. You said it was important.
Yes, I need you to film my audition tape for The Bachelor.
What? Why are you calling me for this nonsense?
Because this is my big break.
Hey, Ava, I have a really important question. I'm sorry.
Janine, it's bad enough I have to talk to you in the first place. What? Melissa, sometimes you need to ask yourself, what would mother do?
What? Ava, we should really talk about the cafeteria conditions.
Listen, I can't worry about that right now. I got a toe fungus and it's causing my toe jam and that's been going on for like 4 weeks. And it's really disgusting. You want to see it?
No.
So
Ava, wait up. Oh my gosh, we parked next to each other.
Janine, it's 3:05, meaning that school ended 5 minutes ago. And after 5 minutes ago, that means we are not friends outside of school. Don't talk to me, please.
See you later.
Okay, I just want to let y'all know I forgot to sign y'all paychecks, but you'll get it sometime.